Reserve Bank announced at its meeting early in May that interest rates would remain on hold and the target cash rate is 4.35%. Certainly that's good news for home buyers and investors to see a stable rate environment. During the month we did see some numbers come out. Inflation was a little bit higher than we anticipated and there were some thoughts in the market that we might see a rate rise, but retail sales were quite poor and we're still seeing a decline in the volume of retail sales per capita. So overall, it's a balanced market at the moment. I don't think we're going to see any rate changes either way, certainly for a few months at least, and hopefully as inflation continues to come down, we'll start to see some rate cuts, but they're more likely now to be early in 2025. Once again, a very active market in Perth in April. We saw homes selling quickly and prices continue to rise. REIWA are reporting that prices rose 1.6% in April to $630,000 for a house, and the median value of units is sitting around $426,000. Now, the median days to sell is still right around that 8 days for homes and 11 days for units, so that's incredibly fast. And now certainly our team out there in the market are saying it's still the same, huge volume of numbers of people through homes and lots of offers, so a very, very busy market. The rental market is still very strong in Perth. The median rent for a house is $650 a week and the median rent for a unit is $600 a week. And REIWA reported during the month that we saw a record low vacancy rate of 0.4%. That's the lowest certainly we've ever seen, and it's no wonder why rents are going to continue to rise. There's simply not enough houses for people to rent or buy, and we're still getting very strong migration. So anticipate, unfortunately for tenants, but good news for investors, that we will see rents rise and continue to do so through the balance of 2024. We saw lots of suburbs again perform particularly well in Perth. Floreat was the top performer, growing 3.4% for the month of April alone. We also saw Golden Bay up 3.2%, Joondalup up 2.8%, Lesmurdy up 2.6%, and Scarborough up 2.4%. This continues the trend that we see where properties right across the price spectrum. You've got Floreat very high prices and Golden Bay certainly closer to the middle. All price sectors are going well, and geographically also we're seeing right down there through Mandurah to Floreat to Scarborough. It's incredible that we are just seeing that very strong growth everywhere. The market hasn't changed in April. It's still very buoyant and will continue to remain that way for the foreseeable future at least. The government are doing their best to try and get further accommodation in the market. They've introduced a $5,000 grant for vacant properties that haven't been rented for people to bring them into the rental market. They're hoping for 1,000 properties. It's certainly going to help, but in the scheme of things where there's well more than 200,000 rental properties in WA, it's really just a drop in the bucket, but certainly anything they can do to help will be worthwhile and take a little bit of pressure off the market. But overall, when we're getting 90,000+ population growth in Western Australia every year, we need to build more housing. Right now we're building about 17,000 homes a year, and the demand is running much closer to 35,000 to 37,000. So buckle up and watch, because it's going to be still a strong market as far as we can see, certainly for at least the balance of 2024 and likely into 2025. If you'd like more information on what's happening in the market or would like to learn more about investing in property, please call our office on 9221 6399 or visit our website momentumwealth.com.au.